like this. This is 16. So let's see. Oh, right. Just removing this bolt, we remove this caliper. This is 16. And then pull this. You have to pull the shoe brake back. Yes. Like so. You see that? You see this? So we are going to change it. It's due for change. In it, you see, I put it side by side. You see that? This is way too far. Yes, it's gone. Removing the old one, putting the new one. So, then the other one. Don't forget to remove this. Yes, okay, it does. Then you take the 16 bolt, tighten it down one. As it should. Yes, this is like so.